everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to the friendly neighborhood shop. This is Labina. Black Friday is coming soon, so I hope all of you would be checking out my online store. Black Friday got me inspired to do a makeup look. All the products that I have used can be found on my online shop, and also I will be listing down the products that I've used in the description box below. If you do like what you see, stay around and keep on watching. Let's get started. Decided that I'm going to do a Black Friday makeup look using Chinese makeup products that you can find on my online shop, which is the friendly neighborhood shop. The palettes that I will be using is this one. This is a dupe palette of Huda Beauty. I think it's the Huda Pro. All the colors that you would be seeing in this palette is similar to what you would get in a Huda palette. It includes the concealer portion as well. This is the palette that I'll be using. I'll be using actually two palettes. One is that and another is Artist Row. These are the two palettes that I'll be using for my Black Friday makeup. Now today I'll start with my eyebrows because I want to spend a bit more time on my eyes. I've already primed my face with moisturizing toner, showered my eyebrows. I mentioned before, my eyebrows are sisters and not twins or both on different lengths. I'll be drawing my eyebrows using two different products. First is this little, this is available on my online store. This comes with a little brush. This is your applicator, and these are the two colors, light browns and dark brown. I have yet to master how to draw my eyebrows on camera, so I'm just going to go off. One side is almost done. I'm going to do the other side and try to get them to look as close a sister as possible. The concealer I'm using, it's by Maybelline, and it's called your Instant Age Reward. I took a Q-tip to put concealer around my eyebrows because I want my eyebrows to look a bit more defined. It might look very uneven right once we clean up. It's going to look perfect. Cleaned up a bit, then I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion to keep my eye colors in place. The concealer is supposed to help the eyeshadow stay in place and also to prevent creases. I took a small beauty blender to blend out the same time I can blend out the concealer. The look I'm creating today, it's heavy on the eye. We just need to make sure that all our creases and imperfections are flattened and smoothened out. For my transition shade today, I'm going to be using the color Himalayan Orange. This is Himalayan Orange. I'll be even taking it to the corner of my lower eyelid, the same color. I'm not going to take additional product, just with whatever's left. I'll stop halfway. I'm going to take a brush that looks like this. I have no idea what the name of this brush is. Pretend I'll be taking a bit of setting spray, spraying it on one side, wave it around, pretend like you're going to be casting a magic spell for eternal beauty. Then I'll be taking a color called Punk. It's a really dark brown, and I'm going to lightly, in a tapping motion on my eyelid, get it in place. This will be the base for more black eyeshadow. The reason why you need to go in a tapping motion, it's because you don't want your crease color to blend in with this black. I've done one eye. I'll move on to the next one. For this look, you actually have to take a bit of time. You can't rush because black is one of those colors where it leaves a stain. And if you're someone like me who can't keep within the lines, color within the lines, then you have to go even slower. I'll try to get in the lower eyelid. Let's pack in all the black we can get, and then we'll blend it. With the same angled brush, I'm going to precisely because of this. Dark colors like black or dark brown usually has a lot of fallouts. We'll just get all those corrected once we go in with our foundation. From the Whatever palette, I decided to use this Whatever palette by Guikami. This is again a dupe makeup by Guikami. The color palette that I'm using is by color Pol. I will take a small brush and I'll be using In Bold. Take a bit of In Bold just to go on my under eyelid here. Decay Ultra Matte. I feel that the makeup blender that is available on my online shop works best when it's a bit damp. I prefer using the Urban Decay setting spray. With this tattoo liner by Kat Von D. I'm done with the foundation and the eyeliner. I will be using this blusher and contour. Again, I'm selling this. This is an item that I cannot stop raving about. This is really good for my skin tone. This can be found on my online shop. So this is from China. It's by a brand called Ellesy and the palette is called Desert Dust Contour. I'm going to, this is the blusher that I'll be going for. I always overdo on the blusher, so the best way I found over the years is that to go and dip it. If I'm dipping it in, I can at least remove excess. Take a flat-headed brush and go in for the contour shade. If you're someone like me who has a really wide forehead and you want to make it smaller, then by all means pull it in. But I am totally okay with the size of my forehead, so I don't really like to bring in the contour shade too low. And now I'm going to be setting the areas where this concealer. The setting powder that I'll be using can be found on my online store. It's called Lamp Color and the color is number 2. This looks like a wet baking, but so be it. Let's just bake this way for about 3 to 4 minutes. While you're baking, let's just contemplate on the whole has life baked us. Alhamdulillah and bless you. When you look airy now, you even spook away all the ghosts that's gonna be around. That's when you know you're good. The mascara that I'll be using is Maybelline, the Hyper Curl, and it's waterproof. This is legit waterproof because it takes a long time to be removed. Even when you think that it's almost gone and then you go to bed, the next day there'll still be residue that appears on your lower lid. I can't apply falsies. Maybe I should start attempting, because if I were to bring you guys makeup look, then I should start applying falsies. Maybe I can even do a video, a beginner's guide to falsies. So this is done and then we will move on to lips. Lips, I will be lining my lips with this. I'll be lining my lips with one of the color in this set. Again, this is a set of 12 lip liner pencils and you can Decay. This was their Game of Thrones collection, and this is called White. Look, this color is actually on the dark side. To line my lips, I will be using a lip liner. The lip liner that I'll be using is from this set of 12 pencils. This is by Pudaier, and you can buy this from my online store. The color that I'll be using, so it's number 4. It doesn't have a name, but the number is 4. It's pretty close. I think this is a really good match. The lip liner and then white marker. I love drawing. Hang on, I forgot one step. Favorite step. It's to highlight Cupid's bow because it makes your lipstick hot. I'm using the same palette, just going in here, pushing it on this side. I always start off with the bow. Lips done. Now I'm going to set everything with my favorite brand of setting powder. This is my first time to use ultra matte for this. As you guys can see, it leaves you with white specks, like speckles of white. I'm not sure why. Never had a problem with this. Wanted to try something different, and this is what different did. So I'm going to use the same brush that I used earlier to remove the baking powder and see if it works in getting rid of all the white specks. Problem solved. It does get removed. I will quickly do my hair and then I'm gonna come back and show you the final look. I can't do any hairstyle, so I'm just gonna try and straighten my hair very quickly and see if I can create a look. I'm done with straightening, and now let me try to look remotely like Morticia Adams. I'm not sure what exactly I'm doing with my hair, but here it has to happen. Something's gonna happen right now. Let me just see what looks good, and otherwise I'm all done. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I hope everyone had an enjoyable Black Friday. I too have enjoyed having all of you visiting me at my online shop. If you have enjoyed the makeup video, please give me a subscribe and a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, good night, Khudafiz, and Assalamualaikum.